Welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you that there is a secret way to get to Pai that involves just some of the most incredible views I've ever seen in my entire life. So yeah, if you want to know more about how to get on this road, where is this road and what is the road actually like, then stay tuned because we're going to have lots of adventures and just enjoy incredible views the entire time. But let's pick up at my guest house in the morning in Chiang because there's a few things you need to know about A, how to get here, and B, what the situation is, because it's not straightforward. Okay. Just wiping this morning condensation off my bike. It is bitterly cold today. And I'm just leaving this place I stayed at last night. Nature guest house, best nature guest house. Look, I had this whole place to myself. Will she start? Oh, she started first time. She's a little bit moody in the mornings. I've never taken this road, so I thought it'd make for a good video because this could be the coolest, newest way to get to Pai. It might be more fun, it might be more safe, it might be, you know, more of a journey. But it could just be a bumpy country road and full of potholes, and it might just be a bit of a nightmare. But that's why I thought, hey, I'll bring you with me. We can discover it together. One thing is for certain, is it's going to be a beautiful ride. Okay, this is the turning point. There is a village here, so this looks like some people who maybe stayed overnight. Blink in, you miss it. So I'll drop it in the description, don't worry. The location of this little village, which contains the viewpoint. I'm hoping I can grab some coffee and lunch here because, or breakfast. Oh my God, look at that. Because, yeah, I skipped breakfast this morning to get here before that sun peaks over that mountain edge. If you're staying in this village, by the way, which you can do, then you can just spend all morning admiring the view here. Ooh la la, sacre bleu. It's just insane, isn't it? Okay. Oh, it's fresh. But yeah, I've just been taking some pictures of the bike and the mountain. And it is a completely different experience to the last time I was here, when I was here at like 9:30. When that sun creeps over the top of that mountain, this entire area will just get blasted in that bright sunlight, and then the mountains just become overexposed. Chai. Did you stay here last night?
Yes.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, so beautiful.
Yeah.
In the morning, the view is a good view. When you come?
I just came from Chiang and I'm going to Pai.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, Honda.
Honda. Oh, okay.
Very
good.
I started in Chiang Mai and I went to Nan,
Oh, okay.
up to Pushifa,
Oh,
here. 10 days.
Very well.
Thank you. This is my ice Americano. Look, if I use my big head, you can see the mountain. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I would probably say, if I'm honest, that if you came here in the afternoon when the sun is over that direction and it would just be facing the mountain, yeah, that would probably be better. But I got to get to Pai early. If I waited until 4 or 5 o'clock, then I'd get to Pai in the dark, and nobody wants to be driving on that road at night time. These chickens are so loud. Meanwhile, this village, you can definitely stay here. I can see like someone having a shower down there. Very rustic. Again, I'll drop the location of this place in the description. Okay, back on the road. Now, yes, I've been to this little village place before, and then I turned around and went back to Chiang because I had no plans to go to Pai. So everywhere we're going from this point on is a mystery. I don't know what the road will be like. I don't know what the villages we pass through will have, if anything. And I don't know what other surprises this road has in for us. So let's see what happens. Adventure time. Woohoo! Good start though. Fantastic views. Good coffee, good spicy breakfast. 10 out of 10 so far. Oh, a car. It's nice to see cars, especially trucks, because if anything was to go wrong, if I was to break down, have a flat tire, whatever, hopefully I wouldn't have to wait too long till someone came and helped me out, because Thai people are the best. And if anyone ever has a problem on the side of the road, they're going to stop, they're going to help you, they're going to lift up your bike, put it in the truck, take you to the police station, take you to the hospital. Trust me, it's happened, I know. Thai people are the best. Yes. Now this is quite steep and gravelly. People ask me quite often in Instagram, you know, oh, do you think these roads are okay for a beginner? And my answer is absolutely not. I'm absolutely, by no stretch of the imagination, a good motorbike rider. I'm not a good driver. I'm just experienced. I experienced many crashes in my time. I've come off maybe 6 times at speed, low speed, on dirt, on gravel, on sand, in the wet, in the dry. And every time I came off, the worst thing that happened was, you know, scrapes and bruises, a couple of like, you know, swollen ankles. They all sucked, but they all gave me experience. I learnt from each crash. So I've still probably got 20 crashes in front of me. I've still got lots to learn. But the thing that I've taken away from all of the previous crashes is you've got to know your limits, know what kind of bike suits you. This bike suits me. Its speed, its size, its control, its gears. And you really need experience with the tires and the surface. When to brake, when not to brake, when to commit, when to really just turn around and go another road. Sometimes your persistence and your stubbornness will make you persist into trouble. And I'm still learning that lesson. Because I want to go somewhere new. Let's go this way. Oh, there's a Muay Thai training camp here? Can you imagine doing Muay Thai training up here in the middle of nowhere? That would be rad. Oh, this guy's got a real bike. They're going to laugh at me on my Honda. But look at this camping spot, guys. Nice. Hi. Wow, look at this. All the people come down from Bangkok with their real gear. Proper tents. Proper tents. Look at this one. His and hers. Wow. Look at this river. Crystal clear. I can see the fish. Ooh, mind your head. Kind of just thinking now, where am I going? But never mind. Holy cap. Open cap. Wow. This is quaint. Look at this. Oh, a little bridge. A little piece of wood is a bridge. Love it. Ooh la la. Oh, look. There's buffalo. Look, guys, look at this. Okay, you probably can't see. Just wait. Like big ones. Ooh. Okay. This is the real North Thailand, okay? We've properly gone off the beaten track here, haven't we? Look at this. Oh, there's a baby buffalo. There's a baby buffalo. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's white buffalo. I've never seen white buffalo before. Hi guys. Hello. How are you? Somebody mate. Hello, boo boo. Hello. Well, we're definitely out here in the middle of nowhere on the way to Pai. You don't get this on the main road from Chiang Mai. Look at this. This is real northern Thailand. Okay, so just past that village, this is now the road. Gravel and sand. It's not the worst. This is totally manageable, but yeah, it's not the smooth tarmac we want. But it'll do for now. I've just seen some random ducks. Okay, come to the random ducks. Look at this. Wow. Oh, there's the village that I was at down there. And there's Chiang. You see what I mean? It looks like Godzilla. Incredible. Well, the road to Pai has officially turned into a footpath. Oh God. It's 25 kilometers until the national park, which is the road back to Pai. But it says on Google Maps it's going to take me an hour and a half on this thing. Oh my God. Are you serious? It can't be like this the whole way, can it? Oof. Oh. Okay. Let's stick to the right-hand side. I'm listening to Shakira's greatest hits, and she's really keeping me grounded right now. What is this? Seriously? Oh! Oh, don't! Oh, I might... Can I rescue this? Okay. What do I do here? The problem is I've got loads of bag. I've got my big backpack. The front I've got my camera gear and everything. I got stuck in the middle. Oh. Just concentration on maximum. If I had a dirt bike, no baggage, I'd nail this. I have neither. I've just got my left foot on this wall here. Oh, Come on now. Please turn into a road. Okay. Well, I'd take this over anything other than that. God knows what that was. Oh, I'm gonna need a beer after this trip. Guys, I got to admit, this bit's really fun. The word you're looking for is commit. You've just got to commit to it. There's a hole and you know you've only got one tiny narrow path through it. You just got to go for it and trust in your instincts. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Lift my feet up. Whoa. It hasn't rained in months, so I don't know where that water's come from. Can you imagine doing this in rainy season? Oh. Woo! Okay, it turns out I was going completely the wrong way. I kept going for another 10 minutes and then it turned into a one-way track and I was like, not even a car can come here. I just checked on Google Maps. I'm so far in the middle of absolute nowhere. I don't know how I missed the turning. Well, I'm officially lost. And my battery's about to run out, so wish me luck. And when my GoPro ran out, I ended up going back to a lovely little village, and this lady came out and she basically told me, just go back, just come back all the way here. And then this road goes to Pai. Fingers crossed. What was really cool was there was a guy and I was like, hey, where's Pai? And he looked at his watch and then he looked up at the sun and he just went that way, and he pointed just in a general direction to Pai, which means that these people are so in tune with the compass and the sun that they still use it to navigate. They don't have Google Maps messing around or anything like that. They just oh, what time is it? Okay, the sun, yeah, go that way. I was like, oh, okay. Guys, I have to stop here. Look at this. Jesus Christ. I'm just trying not to go over this edge of the cliff. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is today's playground. Honestly guys, I know this video is a bit different and there's a lot of footage of this ride, but I was having the time of my life, and even though the road was ridiculous and it was extremely difficult to drive, I was just loving it. There were 3 river crossings that I need to tell you about, but I didn't film them all because they're quite stressful and dangerous, but I did do this one, so check this out. Yeah, there's me driving across the river, looking all epic. But yeah, unfortunately I got my feet soaking wet. And I'll be honest with you, I continued like this for 4 hours in total. By the time I left that cafe at the beginning to here, it was 4 hours of bumpy roads, country roads, adventures, stressful times, fun times, just a great day to be honest. And yeah, eventually I got spat out at this beautiful place. Guys, I've made it to a place. This is some sort of viewpoint. Oh la la. There's people here. There's tarmac here. Hello. Oh my goodness. There's a gift shop. Civilization, I miss you. Guys, look at this place. Beautiful viewpoint. Way in the distance you can see Chiang, and then over there you can see the village that we saw the buffaloes at. You can see exactly where we've snaked across. And Pai will be over that mountain and down. So, if you're familiar with the road to Pai, you'll see this sign, and that is where you get spat out. So we've got 31 kilometers left. But this is the 1095. This is the road from Chiang Mai to Pai. And you pick it up 35 kilometers shy of Pai city itself. So now I can just enjoy the last 30 kilometers down the windy road, slow and steady. Hopefully not run out of fuel or find somewhere to get fuel. And then me and you, we're gonna crack open a beer and play a game. That was quite the journey. And it might not be 5 o'clock in the afternoon here, but it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So cheers, everyone. Oh, what a day. What an adventure. What a beer. And what a place to be. And I will make one more video here in Pai. I've got a really interesting video for you about Pai. So anyone who has been here, wants to come here, or has any connection with it, I'm going to make a really nice video for you. Maybe not tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll just take a day off and chill. But anyway, you've made it to the end of the video. So thumbs up and let's play our little game. Remember to DM us on Instagram the answer to this question. This picture is taken from one of the episodes, one of the locations that I was in on this trip earlier in this series. So let's reward people who've been watching the whole series, basically using these letters and this clue. Where is this place? And yeah, look at this picture. And maybe stalk us on Instagram, stalk my personal Instagram, because I post pictures there as well. Maybe you'll find out the name of this place using these letters. DM us on Instagram, and good luck. Meanwhile, I'm just going to finish off this delicious Blossom wheat beer and enjoy the pool. And it's actually really cold, so I'm going to have to swim around a little bit to heat up. Anyway, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one, which will be the last video of this motorbike adventure around Thailand. So thank you. Bye.